Up and away.
How to be a good shooter.
Someone is A.
Being still is the way to go. Find yourself some solid ground and aim down sight before shooting. The second step is be unpredictable. There is no surprise in where he is.
Down A.
Oh my god.
The last step is crosshair placement and preference.
One enemy remaining.
Remember, always position the crosshair at head height.
Enemy spotted A.
These simple steps will make the opponent surrender in only 5 rounds.
Attackers win.
Nice.
Play your game and rise to the top Valorant players. Are you ready?